carry a shower no be better thing. Get one of my guy, this guy, they carry a shower every day on daily basis. And the painful thing is they carry one particular shower. Every day they carry one girl, they carry one. Maybe last week, this guy called this guy, say, Alpha today now. And the guy say, oh, I'm sorry, oh. Another customer don't book me, oh. The guy don't know what to tell and say, I trusted you.
All right, thank you. Please put your hands together for yourself. Put your hands together for yourself. How you doing? Oh, no, not the year word. How now they do? How you doing? Is that your natural color or you bleached? Your natural color. Okay. It be like say Ephraim before your color if you wash enter your cloth. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am so happy to see you guys, see every one of you who just came out to support Funful. I greet the chairman in the house, CEO Club Raptor. I greet every one of you. I just come to make I can talk about the issues of this country. You know, now they put you now. Kai, you don't fall. Like this guy talking next show, where they want to put you. Well, this country don't ready though. Person die of food poisoning for a better than see drag rice. Anywhere where you see food now, chop, price of things just they increase. My brother, on daily basis, things they increase. But I'm not saying yesterday I discovered say I shall know they carry 15K again. I'm not supposed to talk that one. Shit. But seriously, things don't increase. But I don't know how people say they carry a shovel by this time. Okay, this guy, you say they carry 10K on. Yeah, you didn't see how. Hey, Oga Classic. You don't say for a shovel matter. Hey, talk to me. Oga Classic carry a shovel that year. I don't know whether I see the carry. Now, Oga Classic, I tell you, say, 10K a shower, they give the fashion. Classic say, nah, lie. Say, 10K a shower, 100K a shower, all of them a shower. Now, God, the help person. God, the help person for a shower issue. Oh, boy. Seriously speaking, I don't know how people, this time, we country rugged, the banditry and everything going on. I don't know how guys, see till they get erection. How do you do it? As things they increase, things they happen for this country, as a guy, you feel they carry a shower, you get erection. The last time I get erection was December 12, 2024. That was the last time I had erection. I'm not talking about, I didn't use it. But I don't know how you do it. I don't discover, say, my manhood and Nigeria economy, they work hand in hand. The way my manhood they rise is inversely proportional to the Nigeria economy. Yes. Because anytime price of things they go up, my manhood they come down. Sincerely speaking, as things they go up, my manhood they come down. If things they come down, my mouth they go up. All these guys, maybe saying our ladies they turn on our own. Not be ladies they do me. Economy. Now they turn me on. I'm not saying that my mouth that they do gauge. Till they study the market. Last week I just say my dick just they rise. On its own. Now I call my guy say, oh, son, how far? My dick just they rise this morning. He say, hey, price of tomatoes don't come down. And my mom would have did a study market. But as a guy, please, to carry a shower will not be better thing. This guy is talking from experience. Now let me know what I don't see. To carry a shower will not be better thing. Get one of my guy, this guy, they carry a shower every day on daily basis. And the painful thing is they carry one particular shower. Every day they carry one girl, they carry one.
Maybe last week, this guy called this guy, say, Alpha today now. And the guy say, oh, I'm sorry, oh. Another customer don't book me, oh. The guy don't know what to tell and say, I trusted you. Oh, things they happen. Talking about the economy, say price of things, just they increase. Before when I small, when I dey slice onions, now they cry. But now as I don't big, now if I dey price onions, I dey cry. Things don't change. You know, say, before, when last you buy suya, say they put onions inside. Nah. I bought suya the other day, 1,000. Big 1,000. Aboki no put onions. I say, Aboki put onions now. Now Aboki ask me, say, how much on? Eh? When I know they say onions, things don't change. Before, if you know they drink Gary, if you drink Gary, people would laugh you. See this guy, they drink Gary, poor man. But now, if you know they drink Gary, now people they laugh you. You just go past the house, they give you Gary. You say, oh no, I know they drink Gary. You say, see this one. You know they drink Gary. Oh, you go suffer. Things don't change. You know, say this economy, you know, say affect everybody. You always shock me, you affect bankers. No, growing up, that one was small. When they ask you, what do you want to be in future? You go, yeah, I want to be a banker. But now, things don't change. Bankers are suffering. My brother, if you see the way bankers say they trek now, you go to say they're bankers. It's crazy. Things don't change. Yesterday, I want to go feed gas. Price of gas is 2,000 naira per kg. 2K. I remember when I feel full 12.5 kg for 3.5. Now, just 1 liter, 1 kg is 2,000 naira. Now, nobody they cook again. No. One last one, I hear this sound. Let him cook. Let him cook. Let him cook. You not go yet. Thank you, private chef. Now you they see now. Nobody is cooking. Thing affect everybody. Even Ruga. When I say Ruga, drop music. Because Kukuruku no even cook that thing. It's gone. Nobody is cooking. I cannot even cook up stories. I can't cook anything. You come my house. I feed gas. 12.5 kg, I feel on 25,000. You come my house, I give you rice, chop. You say rice, so you give me no don. What to make you get it? My brother, shoot that thing. Chewam. Even far away, no get it. Now raw rice they chop. You they say, I give you rice, say no don. Do you know how much for gas? But if you don't broke, open up. Oh. I don't know what if food they tell me for back just now. If you don't broke, open up. You shouldn't be saying, you spirit man, say na firewood rice, now they better pass, they sweet pass gas one. Baba, if you don't broke talk, you say I just they like the odor, you go they smell like say you born. Nah lie. When person don't they talk like that, you don't they stage 4 of Sakba. My brother also not be say you get AC for parlor. No be about to get AC for parlor. Food dey kitchen. That be say body go dey cold, belly go dey hot. Sincerely speaking, but things don't change for this country entirely. It's crazy. Now, the amount of people that have ulcer now is increasing because of hunger. I bet you that 97% of this audience get ulcer. Am I lying? You don't have ulcer, but this your friend, she has ulcer. No, you look like you don't have ulcer. You don't know because you have not done checkup. People have ulcer. And the way the rate at which hunger they go now, there's every tendency that the ulcer will increase. It's just 97% now. There's a time that it will be 100%. That time, we can't add Osa join our greeting. You can't see person. Oh, Sandra, you see two girls, see the one greet. Sandra, how are you? I'm fine. How is the family? Fine. How is your father? My father is fine. How is your mother? My brother. How is that your Osa now? They go put on joint greeting. It's crazy. JJ, let me do this and go. Country is hard, man. Let me do them. Now, as a guy, you know that there are different shapes of ladies we like. Let me speak for the guys. As a guy, there are shapes of ladies we love. As a guy, as a lady, if you have a big up and a big down, every guy loves you. If you know you are here, you have a big up and a big down, please put your hands together for your... I can see the up, but I cannot verify about the down. Please, can you stand up? Every guy loves you. Have big up, big down. Love you. But if you are a girl, you have small up and big down. Well, most guys love you. That's what they call apple shape. It's fine. Or you are a girl. You have small up and small down. You stand, you be like a ruler. Well, God loves you. Now he create you. You know what he go do? But the one where I hate pass, and I speak for all guys, the one who hate pass as guys, you are a girl, up big, down come flat. You can't be like numerator when the numerator is higher than the denominator. Improper fraction. The most painful one, you be gay, you're up big, your belly come big, your nyash come flat, you stand, you be like with a Dodge cane. That is crazy. And as a girl, I advise girls, check your body structure before you dey buy cloth. Know how your body be before you dey buy cloth, before you dey wear cloth. How you go be girl? You short, you can't get bow leg, you can't wear black top and red leggings, you can't be like plier. Guy, they see you now how to use you take cut light. It's crazy. And this my guy, they talk about stretch mark. You know, as a girl, there are kinds of stretch marks that boys like. I'm speaking for guys. You know, as a girl, if you have those light stretch mark, those, you know what I'm talking about. You just be like, lightning. We love it. But there's some stretch marks we don't like. Stretch mark go deep like who they stab. You say, I don't hug one girl before as I come up, but I be like, who sleep on mat. No be joke, oh. The painful thing, I was trying to be romantic with her because I stretch mark many. I was trying to be romantic. Now I rub her body, make ground. I said, wow, this is a guitar. Now the guy called them say, no strings attached. Crazy. And thank you. Now, stretch mark. You see tattoo. Tattoo no be for everybody. Tattoo is not for everybody. You know, say you get some kind stretch mark. Not be all tattoo they made for you. Now, so one girl, this girl, she loves a lot. She loves fruit. You know, she loves eating fruit. So this girl can't go draw different fruits for her body. Can't draw apple, can't draw pineapple, can't draw watermelon. Stretch mark, can't slice, and it can't be fruit salad. Please put your hands together for yourself. That's my time.